Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to transfer a video from one iPhone to another using AirDrop. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to two iPhones, one video, and now we can go to the first iPhone. Use Touch ID to get into your account on your phone. Swipe up, turn on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and then go to the second iPhone. Use Touch ID or type in your password. Go to your iPhone, swipe up, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth turned on. Go back to your first iPhone, photos, camera roll, find a video, share, select your second phone, accept, and now the video has been transferred from one iPhone to another using AirDrop. Go to your home page on both phones. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.